Alright guys, I wanted to pop in here really quick and do this voiceover for a plan with me for the week of November 1st through November 7th in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. I will be using this adorable kit from Sweet Kawaii Designs. It is their November Vertical Kit, and I'm just kind of showing you each one of the sticker pages that you get with the kit. I'm going to be laying the monthly down as well as the first week of November. So if that sounds like something you're interested in watching, then stick around. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and lay down the monthly for November. I think this color scheme is so pretty. I do love the purple and the gray. I think it's so pretty. I do have the colorful version of the vertical, and it's because I had a really good deal on QVC this year, and that's how I ended up ordering my vertical for Erin Condren. I would not have chosen the colorful if I had the choice, but unfortunately with the QVC, that was really the only one that was offered at that time. I don't know if they actually did offer the others, but I don't know. Anyways, it works and it doesn't really bother me. It's just that sometimes you can see it in the monthly kits. But here you can see I'm laying down my full boxes. I'm laying down all the numbers and pretty much all the appointments that I have going on. My November, I use my monthlies pretty often. I basically lay down anything that I know is coming up. That's how I future plan, is in my monthlies, and then I migrate everything from monthly to weekly and then weekly to daily. And if you have watched my channel or have seen, I have a new plan with me up, and it is for the A5 Daily Duo in the Ring Agenda for Erin Condren, and so I am loving it. But anyways, I have my monthly laid down. Once I'm finished up with my monthlies, I'll come back in. I'm putting in all the wacky holidays, and then I'm putting in all of my paydays. And that's pretty much it. I do have some things on my monthly that I'm going to go back in and erase because I did change up some of the appointments and they're not the same. So that's my monthly for right now. Here's my weekly. I'm going to go ahead and lay down the washi. And once I get the washi laid down, I'm going to go over and do my sidebar and then lay down my date headers and my regular box headers. And then I'll catch you up after that. Okay, so now that all of my headers are down, I did go ahead and put the weekend banner down, and now I'm putting in my full boxes. I decided that I wanted to try to stay away from most of the Thanksgiving stuff this week until I get a little closer to Thanksgiving. So I think the old snap, and then I do put down the character stickers that come in the kit, and it's just of them eating, and I just thought, well, that could be Thanksgiving or it could be any other time, so it doesn't matter. It's November, and you know, they are for Thanksgiving. This is the whole Thanksgiving month, right? Anyways, so I am just laying down now my half boxes and my quarter boxes of all of my appointments that I have coming up this week. Again, I migrate things from my monthly to my weekly, and then again, I will migrate things from my weekly to my dailies. So basically, this just keeps me on track for what's going on this week as far as events and activities. And yeah, so basically the thing that has changed the most for our weekly events is we no longer have football, which, I mean, I love football, y'all, don't get me wrong, but I'm not sad to see those practices gone for right now. It just makes our lives a little less hectic during the week. We have picked up gymnastics, which is fine. It's once a week and it's on Saturday mornings, so no big deal, and Tori's loving it. Eventually Logan will start into something. I'm assuming probably basketball. I don't know. And once we get into that, then we'll start to be busy again. But anyways, my oldest son does have a job now, and so I do need to get his work schedule put into my weekly, but I haven't done that this week because I don't think he knows what his schedule is for this coming week. Oh well. Anyways, here I'm just putting in some other deco, and that's pretty much it for this plan with me, you guys. It was really short. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys again really soon. Have a great week. Bye.